Enclosure is from our RP series and is ideally suited for mounting printed circuit boards or components. It is made from ABS and is flame retardant UL94 V0. The O-ring silicon gasket provides dust and water ingress protection to IP65. It is because of these properties that make this enclosure series a popular choice across all industrial sectors. As well as providing a wider range of quality plastic and metal enclosures, we can offer CNC machining, allowing us to provide tailored solutions for your requirements. The process starts with the customer providing a drawing of their requirements. We will then quote accordingly, and once accepted, we will customize the enclosure to your specification. In this example, we're going to machine 3 holes into this enclosure, which allow the customer to use cable glands to secure the end of their cables to the equipment. And the process begins.